Good afternoon. Today we will continue our lesson on page 89, and let's solve exercises from 1 to 7. I want to divide or find the quotient. So if you want to start from the first one, 457 divided on 4, you can here find the place of the first digit in the quotient. So look, I will use the place value right here, the place value. So I will start from the left side. The first number in the left side, 4 in the hundredths digit. So can I divide 4 on 4? Yes, I can divide 4 on 4. That's mean the answer will be a hundredth number, or the quotient will be 100 number. Okay, so this is about the first step. Okay, now let's find the answer. So here you need to find the answer only. I will start the division. So 4, we start with the first number. 4 divided on 4. Which number I will multiply it by 4? The answer will be 4. It will be 1, right? 1 multiply 4 equals 4. So I will write it here, 4 hundredths. Okay? Then I will subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. What I have to do now, I have to take the digit after the hundredth number. So look, the quotient will start in the hundredths digit. Okay, so 1 in the hundredths digit, I will put it here. Then I will start with 5 in the tenth digit. 5, I will take it right here, I will put it right here. Now 5 divided on 4. So what is the number I will multiply it by 4? The answer will be close to the 5. I think also 1, because 1 multiply 4 equals 4, and 4 is the closest number to the 5. Or you can say it in another way. How many 4s in 5? How many 4s? Only 1. Only 1 4. Now 1 multiply 4 equals 4. I will put it in the 10th digit. Why? Because 1 in the 10th digit, I will multiply 1 10 by 4. The answer will be 4 tenths. Okay? Now what I have to do, I will subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay? What I have to do, can I divide 1 on 4? No, I can't. 1/10 on 4? No. So I will take or regroup the number. I will take the 7 right here and put it next to the 1. It will be 17 ones. 17 ones. Now, can I divide 17 on 4? Yes. How many 4s in 17? Or which number I will multiply it by 4? The answer will be close to 17. The answer is 4. So if you multiply 4 by 4, the answer will be 16, and the 16 is the closest number to 17. Now 4 multiply 4 equals 16 once. Now subtract 7 minus 6 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So let's continue. Can I divide 1 on 4? No, I can't. I need to regroup, but there is no digits after the 1 or before the 1's digit. So what I have to do, I can divide 1, so this is a remainder. Okay, remainder. Okay, R. So the answer is, look, the answer is 1000 or 100, I'm sorry, 14, and there is a remainder 1. So I will write it here for you. 114 and R1. There is a remainder. Let's see number 2. Number 2 is 1035 divided on 5. I want you to focus on this exercise. I will write it here for you. Now, let's see. If you want to know the place of the first digit in the quotient, let's see it from the place value. the first number in the thousandth digit. If you divided it on 5, I can divide it 1 on 5. So what I have to do, I will take the digit after it, which is the hundreds. So it will be 10 hundredths. 10 hundredths divided on 5, yes, it will be 2. So the number will be in the hundredths number. A hundredths number. The first digit will be a hundredths digit. So let's start the division. 1 divided 5, I can't divide it on 5. I will take the digit before it. It will be 0. So now 10. It will be 10 hundredths. 10 hundredths divided on 5. How many 5 in the 10? 2. That's right, because if you multiply 2 by 5, the answer will be 10. That means it will be 2 hundredths. 10 hundred divided on 5 equals 2 hundredths. Now 2 multiply 5 equals 10. Then I will subtract. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Okay? Now what I have to do, I will take the 3 right here and put it next to the answer. 3. Okay? This is 3 in the tens digit. Okay? This is 3 tenths. 3 tenths. I will take it and divide it on 5. I want you to focus on this idea very well. Look, I have here 3 in the tenth digit. That means this is 3 tenths. And I want to divide it on 5. So 3 tenths divided on 5. Can I divide it 3 on 5? No. Because 3 less than 5. That means I can't divide it. What I have to do right here, I have to take the number after or before the 3, which is here the ones digit. But before this, if I take this 5 and put it right here, it will be 35 ones, right? Because this one is 3 tenths. That means this will be 30 tenths. Plus 5 equals 35 ones, right? This number in the ones digit or in the ones form, and this is in the ones form, so it will be 35 ones. So the number will be a ones number. I want to divide it on 5, so the quotient will be ones. What about the tens right here? If you take the number before it in the tens digit and you can divide it on the number, so I will leave a 0 in the tens digit because I can divide the tens number on 5. So I will leave the value of the tens digit will be 0 because I can't here leave the digit without any number. I know the quotient will be consist of 3 digits because it will be hundreds number. That means I can divide it only hundreds and ones and leave the tens. Okay, so when this thing happened, I have to put a 0 in the tens digit. Now 35 ones, I want to divide it on 5. Which number I will multiply it by? 5, it will be close to 35 or equal 35. Or how many 5 in 35? I think 7 multiply 5 equals 35. So it will be 7 in the ones digit. Now 7 multiply 5 equals 35 ones. And then you will subtract the answer. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. So the final answer is 207. Okay? Now let's find number 3. Now let's continue on page or on exercise 3. 1766. I want to divide it on 8. Okay, what I have to do right here. First, I want to know the place of the first digit in the quotient. So I will take the place value. I will use the place value, So I will take this number in the thousand number, a thousand number. So I will take the number in the thousandth digit. 1 divided on 8. Can I divide 1 on 8? No, I can't. What I have to do, the 7 in the hundreds digit, so it will be 17 hundreds. Can I divide 17 on 8? Yes, I can. That's mean the final answer will start with a hundreds place. Okay, let's start now. I will start the division to find the quotient. 1 divided on 8. I can divide 1 on 8, so I will take 7. 17 divided on 8. Which number I will multiply it by 8? The answer will be close to 17. I think it's 2. 2 in the hundreds digit. Why? Because 17 hundreds divided on 8 equals 2 hundreds. Now 2 multiply 8 equals 16 hundreds. Now subtract. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So the answer is 1. Okay? Now, can I divide 1 on 8? 100 on 8? No. I will take the tens. 6 tenths. It will be 16 tenths. 16 divided on 8 equals 2. 2 in the tens digit. 2 multiplied 8 equals 16 tenths. So I will subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Now I will take the 6 in the ones digit. So I will divide it 6 ones on 8. Can I divide it 6 ones on 8? No, because 6 greater or less than 8. So what I have to do, 6 divided on 8 equals what? 6 ones. I can divide it. What I have to do right here, as we learned in the last exercise, when I want to divide a ones number here, ones digit on 8, and I can divide it on 8, the value of the digit will be 0 in the ones. I can't leave the digit without writing the value. I can't write only 2 in hundreds and 2 in the tens and leave the ones. No. If I can't divide the 8 or the ones here on 8, so the value of the number or the value of the digit will be 0, and there is a remainder, right? Because here 6, I can't divide it on 8, so it will be a remainder, or 6. Okay, so the final answer here is 220, and the remainder is 6. Okay, now let's move to number 4. Number 4. Number 4, I want to divide 275 on 8. Now, look, can I divide it? We will find the place of the first digit in the quotient. So, 2, I will take the first digit, 2 in the hundreds digit, divided on 8. Can I divide 2 on 8? No. So, I will take the number in the tens digit, 27. 27 ones. Can I divide it on 8? Yes, I can. So the quotient will start with a tens digit. Okay, now 27 divide on 8. So how many 8s on 27, or which number I will multiply it by 8? The answer will be close to 27. If you think about timetable 8, that you will find it will be 3 in the tens digit. 27 tenths divided on 8 equals 3 tenths. Now 3 multiply 8 equals 24, right? Then we will subtract. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So we have only 3 tenths. Now can I divide 3 on 8? No. What I have to do, I will take the ones and put it here. It will be 35 ones. Now 35 divided on 8. Which number I will multiply it by 8? The answer will be close to 35. It will be 4. 4 what? Ones. Okay, because I want to divide a ones number on 8. Now 4 multiply 8 equals 32. Okay, then I will subtract. Okay, I'm sorry. So I will subtract between 35 and 32. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. So now 3 ones. Can I divide the 3 on 8? No, I can't. What I have to do, I can't do anything because this will be a remainder. Okay, So the final or quotient or the quotient here is 35 and there's a remainder 3. Sorry, 34, I'm sorry. And the remainder 3, okay? Now let's continue with exercise number 5. 468 divided on 3. Now I want to know the first place or the place of the first digit in the quotient. So I will take the hundreds now, divided on 3. Can I divide it? Yes. So that's mean the quotient will start with a hundreds number. Now we will start 4 divided on 3. How many 3 in the fourth? In the 4, it will be 1. 1 hundredths. Now 1 multiply 3 equals 3. And then I will subtract. 4 minus 3 equals 100. What I have to do, I can divide it 1 on 3. I will take the tens. It will be tens number, 16 tenths. Now 16 divided on 3. Which number I will multiply it by 3? The answer will be close to 16. It will be 5. 5 in the tens. 5 multiply 3 equals 15. Okay, now minus 6 minus 5 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Now I can divide it 1 on 3. I will take the 8 in the tens digit or in the ones digit. Now 18 divided on 3. Which number I will multiply it by 3? The answer will be close to 18 or equal 18. It will be 6. That's right. 6 multiplied 3 equals 18. So the remainder here equals 0. Okay, so the quotient right here is 156. Let's see number 6. If you want to know the value or the place of the first digit, so you will take the first digit here, which is the thousand digit, 3, divided it on 4. Can I divide 3 on 4? No, I can't. I have to take the hundreds, so it will be a hundred number. Now 32. Can I divide the 32 on 4? Yes, I can. So the answer or the quotient here will start with a hundred number. Okay, so now we will start the division. 32 divided on 4. Which number I will multiply it by 4? It will be 32 or close to 32. It will be 8, right? 8 what? 100, because 3200 divided on 4, it will be 800. Now 8 multiply 4, it will be what? 32, right? Subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Now what I have to do, I will take the number in the tens digit, 2. Now, can I divide this number on 4? 2 tenths divided on 4? I can't. So what I have to do, I have to take the 0 in the ones digit. So it will be a ones number. But what about the tens digit right here? I can't leave the tens digit without any number, but the value of this number will be 0. So the value of this digit will be 0 because I can't divide the tens digit here on 4. Okay, now 21s divided on 4. Which number I will multiply it by 4? The answer will be 20. It will be 5, right? 5 multiply 4 equals 20. So subtract. Now the remainder is 0. So the quotient right here is 805. Now the final one. Now 600. Exercise number 7, 618 divided on 6. Let's find the place of the first digit in the quotient. If you divide the first digit here, hundredths digit, on 6, you can divide 6 on 6. So the first digit in the quotient will be a hundred number. Okay? So now let's start. 6 divided on 6 equals 1, right? Because how many 6 in the 6? Only 1. Now 1 multiply 6 equals 6, and then subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Okay? Now I will take the number in the tens digit. 1. 1 divided 6. Can I divide 1 on 6? No, I can't. So what I have to do, I will take the digit before it, which is the ones. But here, before I will take it, the number will be a ones number. What about the tens digit? I can leave it without any value. So the value of this digit will be 0. Then I will divide a ones number on the 6. 18 divided on 6. Which number I will multiply it by 6? The answer will be 18. It will be 3. Now 3 multiplied 6 equals 18. Then subtract. Now 8 minus 8 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So the quotient right here is 103 and there is no remainder. 103. So this is our lesson today. I hope that you understand it very well. Please do the homework and bye bye.